In this video, I will show you how to edit a PDF so you can change text, add new content, and just make quick updates to your document. If this video helps, make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe for more simple PDF and tech tutorials. And with that being said, let's get started. Now, the best way to do this is if you actually open up a new internet browser, come across to google.com. What you want to do is make sure you're logged into your Google account. And once you've done that, if you click onto the Google Apps icon just up here, and what you want to do is click to open up your Google Drive. Now, once you're in your Google Drive, if you come over to the left-hand side and click the New button, and on this menu, you want to click onto File Upload. What that's going to do is open up your computer's File Explorer, and from here, you can double-click to upload the PDF you want to edit to your Google Drive. Once you've uploaded that to your Google Drive, come over to the menu on the left-hand side and click onto Recent. And you should see at the top of the list the PDF that you have uploaded that you can now edit. Now, what you want to do is come to the right-hand side of the PDF, click onto the three dots here where it says More Actions. And on this menu that comes up, you want to hover over Open With, and in the submenu, open this with Google Docs. Now, what that's going to do is open up your PDF with Google Docs, and by using this, it's actually completely free to edit your PDF. So here it is, and as you can see, what we can do is go through and start making our edits. So we can remove text, we can add text as well. We can also do things like if we come up to the top and click onto Insert, we can add images to our PDF. And once you're happy with everything, just come up to the top left-hand corner, click onto File. Then what you want to do is come and hover over Download, and you can see you can re-download this as a PDF to your computer or laptop. So that is how to edit a PDF. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and I will see you in the next video.